How to make page turn effect in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account and select your project over here. As you can see, I've already selected the project. Now if you want to make a page turn effect in Canva, simply tap on the plus icon at between the pages over here and then tap on transition. So here you can see there are different options over here. So among those different transition, you can select whichever option is more convenient, or if not, you can simply select on every page and you can see there are different options at the bottom. So let's tap on the animate option. Here you can see there are different options over here as well. So if you want to have the page turn effect, let's see if we have that effect available or not. So as you can see, we do not have that option available as of now, like page turn effect. So what you can do is simply tap on a different kind of effect. So I'm gonna select on the scrapbook for now and then tap on apply to all pages, and that's how you can make the effects in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.